In 1998, two Stanford students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, founded Google in a garage. Initially a search engine, Google aimed to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. The launch of Google Search marked the beginning of a new era in internet browsing and information retrieval. In 2004, Gmail was introduced, revolutionizing email with innovative features and ample storage space. Google Maps emerged in 2005, changing how we navigate the world and access geographic information. With the introduction of Android in 2008, Google expanded into the mobile operating system market. The launch of Google Chrome in 2008 provided a sleek, fast browsing experience, enhancing user engagement. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube, solidifying its position in the digital video market. In 2015, Google restructured itself under the umbrella of Alphabet Incorporated, allowing for more focused management. Today, Google leads in various tech sectors including search engines, cloud computing, and advertising technologies. Looking forward, Google is investing heavily in AI and emerging technologies to shape the future. With its relentless innovation, Google has profoundly impacted society and transformed our everyday lives. As a tech giant, Google continues to redefine the landscape of technology and user experience. What's next for Google? The future holds endless possibilities in technology and innovation.